Alright, hey everyone, what's going on? So today's video I want to show you guys how to pair the Skullcandy wireless Hesh 2 Bluetooth headphones to my right, these here. I want to show you guys how to connect that to a Samsung Galaxy S9. Should work the same for the S9 Plus as well. So before we do anything with our phone, we want to power on the Skullcandy and get it into pairing mode. So make sure the headphones is completely off, and then you'll find the power on button over here. Again, make sure it's off, and the reason for this is that we're going to hold down the power on button and we're not going to let it go until you see the blue-red flashing lights, which means it's in pairing mode. So you'll see one color first, which means it's on, but don't let it go until you see the blue-red flashing lights. Let's go ahead and hold that down and don't let it go. You'll see this, don't let go, hold it until you see this. All right, and these headphones in particular will tell you if it's pairing. It'll tell you the pairing mode. It'll just say pairing, and this basically means now the headphones is in pairing mode. So just leave it as it is, don't do anything else with it. Let's head over to the S9 over here, and what we're going to do is go into the settings of the S9 phone and head over to connections, then Bluetooth. Go to Bluetooth and power on your Bluetooth. Now once you power on your Bluetooth, you'll notice it'll start searching for nearby capable Bluetooth devices, and you'll see where it says Hesh 2 wireless, which basically is the Skullcandy's headphones. And of course it's still in pairing mode over here. Just tap on it one time, it'll tell you that it's pairing, and once it's fully paired, you'll notice the lights are no longer flashing. Let's give it a few seconds. Okay, there you go. Hesh 2 wireless is now connected, and you'll notice the lights are no longer flashing in blue and red, which means it's fully paired. You'll just have that occasionally blue light lighting up. And that's basically it for the guide. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So thanks for watching.